So far, right now, Albertville is entering foul trouble because of the aggressiveness of number 4 from Parnay. Let's see how they're gonna attack and plan to defend against Lucero. Second shot, low good rebound by Lucero. Floater, no good. Lucero is everywhere right now. Another rebound by Lucero. Inside, using the glass, another 2 points by Lucero. He has turned up the game, ladies and gentlemen. Blood is now flowing. Albertville dribble the ball by number 15. Number 15 pass on to number 13 for 3. No dribble the ball by number 11. You can see him tracking down. Back to number 13. Number 13 cross pass to number 15. Number 15 being harassed by everybody. Number 11 strong move inside. Power move inside using the glass. Powerhouse move by number 11 to cut the bleeding. Albertville 5 and Parnay 7. Dribble the ball by number 8. Number 8 being harassed. Nice cross move. Pull up jumper. No good number. And let's see who's more rep. Same ball according to referee Rigon. 13 seconds to shoot. Outside pass. Penetration move. A pull-up jumper. Smooth like butter. Number 33. Pull-up jumper is good. 9-5 in favor of Parnay. 4-point lead. Number 8. Strong move inside. Very quick. Pull-up jumper. Blocked. Partially, number 4 with the rebound and pushing the pace once again is the reigning MVP. Too strong, too big in the last. Little jar and outlet pass right there for number 13. No problem, he's gonna take it very much from the premium. I'll take that basket. And number 13, number 8 dribble over by number 8 being harassed right now. Good defensive maneuver by number 9 there. Number 33 inside pass to the serve. Being harassed, 10 seconds to shoot, inside pass! Using the glass, no good. Ooh, rebound the ball by number 15. Number 15 pushing the pace to number 13. Back. Look at the teamwork between 13 and 15. They go in the other number in between. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Number 8 dribble the ball by number 8. Look at the intensity of the defense. Inside. We have them pick on the ball. Look at the strong move number 4. Number 15 pushing the pace. He said down. Corner pass to number 8. Number 8. Strong reversion in the pass. No good. Number 33 with the rebound. Outlet pass to the MVP. MVP said no problem. I got you. Number using the pass. Foul is called. Number 13. Number 13, you are on your 3rd personal foul. 4th team foul. That's for the 3rd personal foul. 4th team foul. 4th team foul, which is exceptional. Rebound the ball by number 15. Number 15 dribble the ball. Creating the pace right now is in later on. Passing to the work. I got you. Number 13 to the corner. Number 8. Rebound the ball by number 9. Look at number 9. Again, all over the floor once again. To number 33 using the glass. Number 33. Pass around and no good. Number 13 being harassed right now.